So, as we are aware about this pandemic situation, so as I've already mentioned that now we would be doing this Converge and a virtual conference. Of course, the benefit would always remain same, and what are the benefits you are going to gain from this Converge is what is going to be discussed from our master mentors, Mr. Dean and Mr. Rajendran. So before I hand over the session, let me talk about myself. So I'm the co-founder at Bell TPO, done my MBA, and I've been trading since 2004. Went full time in 2010. Have been using market profile and order flow for the last 5 years, and trade in stock futures and stock options. Right. The Converge 2020, the India's biggest market profile virtual trader conference, will start from 16th December to 20th December, right? And your mentors, master mentors, Mr. Rajendran and Mr. Dean, would be talking about market profile, order flow, and volume spread analysis, the new concepts, right? And of course, especially for the beginners, we always take care of the beginners as well, because when the mentors straight away start with the concept, for them following up with those concepts might be difficult. So what we have decided is that you would be given an half an hour recorded basics of market profile or order flow, volume spread analysis each, to understand the basics, and then enter the actual conference. So the recording of the basics of each topic would be made available on or before November 30th. Okay, the details, everything will be communicated via the email, right? So the regarding the tickets and the offers, probably I would be taking up in detail once we are done with Mr. Dean's and Rajendran's presentation. So before I hand over the session to Mr. Dean, I have a small quick video to play. Thank you, friends. Let me hand over the session to Mr. Dean.
Now we can start with our presentation. So Converse 2020, I have been part of this wonderful event for last 2 years, 2018 and 19. Unfortunately, this year, it's not a good idea to meet in person. The whole point of Converge was to meet the traders, and give them opportunity to meet the mentors who they hear on YouTube videos or through their courses. But whenever you meet, face to face or in person, it's a completely different experience, both for those who are trying to learn and those who are trying to share whatever they have learned. Now, I won't use the word teach here, because I don't claim to be a teacher. I just want someone to be remembered as someone who shared whatever he learned in the markets. That's all. So I understand that in-person meeting or face-to-face meeting would have been really wonderful. I was really looking forward to the third year of Converge. My third year. I think it's already 5 years that Converge is going on. And yeah, we cannot do that this year because of this whole pandemic situation. All right. Anyways, but we need not worry, because we have technology on our hands. Right now I can see there are almost I don't know how much, 56 people around the globe, I should say, because I believe there are some who are joining us from outside of India. So we have like a 56 people, you know you're getting in touch with each other via this electronic platform. And I believe, just because we cannot meet in person, this tradition of Converge should not be broken. So this whole Converge family and those who are responsible for bringing it out to you, like me, Vinod, and obviously Rajendran. So we discussed and we decided that the show must go on, and if not in person, we should meet virtually. All right. So I think this is how it's going to be in the session also. uh, Let me share what I am going to discuss in Converge 2020. Obviously, this is just a list of the topics. It's really difficult to explain all the things that I'm going to share by making a small list. All right. So let's say on day one, we will be talking about volume spread analysis. We'll review some of the basics, review the signals that I shared last time. And I have shared in my course also, but I will review those signals, what they mean, how they form, and how you should use them, all those kinds of things. We'll go in detail, obviously. And then we will also review the sequential setups that have been liked by so many of you. I got good feedback on that, a lot of questions on that, how to use them, and we will go through all those basics first. And then I also wanted to reiterate one more thing, and that is what is the underlying philosophy of volume spread analysis. Now, many might just look at it as a theoretical topic, but please understand that everything I am trying to share has practical importance. So the underlying philosophy is the Wyckoff market cycle, schematics, innovation adoption curve, auction market theory, all these things. How exactly they affect the volume spread analysis, how exactly will they help you if you understand them, how will they exactly help you in using this beautiful tool in an even better manner. All right. So it won't be like a lecture on what Wyckoff market cycles are or what innovation adoption curve is. That's not a difficult thing to understand. And many of you have already done my course, so they know that these concepts are there and they have been discussed in detail. But I would like to take a practical approach and show you, maybe via lots of examples, as to how these philosophies can be observed in real time using a VSA chart. All right. So like auction market theory, we all know that it's the basis of market profile, but it's not limited to that. Okay, maybe market profile relies heavily on auction market theory, but auction market theory is not limited to market profile only. It can be applied to any form of technical analysis. And what I will be trying to show you is how it can be applied to volume spread analysis. So that will be my objective here. And similarly for Wyckoff market cycle, schematics, and innovation adoption curve, all these topics I will be discussing, and I'll be discussing the practical part of it, not a session or a lecture to explain what these things are. Most of you already know that. uh, then we will discuss how volume spread analysis can be used with market profile. Now, market profile, most of you know me via market profile, and I also, talk a lot about volume spread analysis, not so much about order flow, because I think Rajan is has done much greater work in that field than I could ever do. So I don't claim to know everything about order flow, but I think market profile and VSA, I have done a lot of research, lot of studies, and I have used it for a long time, so that I can say a few words about it, and share whatever I have learned basically. So I will be showing you how you can use or combine market profile and VSA. Now, the reason why I'm trying to do this comes on day 2. Okay, this is the question we are trying to answer: how to find trades using volume spread analysis. And the second question is how to use time frame analysis with VSA. Now, what I'm trying to do here is, many people ask me, Dean, what time frame chart should we use for VSA? Shall I apply it on a 5-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 1-day chart, weekly chart? What do you suggest? Now, it depends totally on your objective, how long you want to hold on to a trade. Make sense? So if you are an intraday trader, obviously it does not make any sense by applying volume spread analysis on a weekly chart. You will have to go to smaller time frame charts, and that is where this beautiful tool comes in so handy, because it's so flexible. You can use volume spread analysis on a monthly chart and 1 second chart. Now, this is not a claim I am making, because I have never traded off 1 second chart, but the founder, the person who discovered volume spread analysis, like Tom Williams, it's very unfortunate that we lost him. I think last year, or maybe last year. It's very unfortunate that we lost him. But he did some testing, some analysis, and he found out that those principles work even on a 1 second chart. Now, it's really amazing to understand that something can work on a monthly chart as well as such a short time frame chart. Now, all of us probably, however short term trader you are, I don't think you need to go below a 1 minute chart. All right, unless you are a high frequency trader, but in that case you won't be using manual decision making to do that. It will be an algo or something like that. So I think a versatile system like volume spread analysis, which can be applied to any time frame or chart periodicity, to be precise, when you combine it with market profile, which gives you, even deeper insights, a completely different way of looking at the markets. When you combine these two methods, I believe the information you get from this combination is, it grows exponentially than what you can find out when you use them individually. Now, you all, if you have been listening to me for a while, you know that I really don't like a lot of information. Many of you have been asking me, Dean, explain how you can use open interest. Can we use participant data and this and that? And I have already told you that I have stopped using all those things. I have methodically removed each and everything that does not give me something new, something different, some deeper insight about the markets. So if there are two tools which are giving me the same information, I would immediately get rid of one of them. Now, here, volume spread analysis tells me something about the market, whereas market profile tells me something completely different about the markets. And when these two tools are combined, you can exponentially increase your market understanding. And that is why we are going to see how you can combine or use volume spread analysis along with market profile, and only with a lot of examples. I mean, that's the whole point of this knowledge sharing exercise that we are doing. There is no point in just giving theoretical lectures, and the other end of the spectrum is trying to show you how I will buy and how I will make a trade and how I will make money in front of you. No, that also is not going to happen, but it will be a practical session with lots of tips and tricks which will help you in real time trading. We don't want to theorize this subject. At the same time, you won't see us trying to convince you of our abilities. We have done a lot of work. Rajendran has a massive website. I have almost 350 videos on my YouTube channel showing you how we think. Then we have 4 years of experience of sharing it on in-person offline session platform, and we have received tremendous response. So this time it's going to be online, but I don't think anything changes. The willingness of everyone in this Converge team to bring new understandings, new insights that we keep learning to you, I don't think anything can match that, and that's not going to change. It does not matter what kind of platform we are using. So we are going to do that, find trades using volume spread analysis, learn what kind of time frames are involved using volume spread analysis, and then I will talk specifically about risk. I wanted to cover this topic for a long time. I will be talking about risk, how we can manage risk using volume spread analysis. There will be three steps. First, you need to understand what risk is. There is a very big misconception about risk amongst the beginner traders or retail traders like you and me. I had the wrong, perception about risk for a long time, and it hurt me very badly. You just imagine whatever money you have lost. uh, I lost a lot of money, and that is because I never understood clearly what risk in trading means. So first we will define that, then we will look at how you can assess that risk using these tools, how to find out when the risk is high, when the risk is low. We'll do that, and then we will learn how you can manage these risks in the markets. All right, so that will be, I believe, that will be the most interesting part of my session that I'm going to share with you. Hopefully you will also find it useful. But again, I mean, there are only 2 days that we are going to speak each, right? 2 days I am going to speak, 2 days Rajanan is going to speak. Now obviously 2 days, and time is never enough, right? Time is never enough when it comes to sharing what we have learned. But I will try to cover so many things. These are just headings, guys. All right, don't try to judge the amount of information or the value that is going to be shared by just looking at the headings. That I'm doing to keep this number of slides small, and also to keep you interested enough to come and actually join us for the actual session. I mean, I can take a whole session here, but then there will be no point. All right, so these are just the topics, the headlines. There will be tremendous amount of content that will be shared, which broadly falls under these topics or content ideas. All right, so that is what I'm going to share in my 2 days at Converge 2020. And then I also wanted to talk about why you should you know join Converge 2020. We do this exercise every year. We try to share our thoughts about why you should be joining us. Okay, so everyone is learning all the time, especially those who teach must keep learning. The one who stops learning can't help himself, let alone try and help others. Now this is what I thought when I was trying to put in words my message for why you should join Converse 2020. Now this is not a quote I have copied or something. It's purely my thoughts, and it was written first time directly on this PPT. So these are like as fresh as it can get. It's a thought that I thought of today in the morning when I was trying to make this PPT, and that is what I have shared with you. And this is what I believe very truly to my heart. I believe that if you stop learning, you will stop making progress. Many people start getting results, be it trading or any other field of life, and then they immediately stop learning. The problem with that is, if you stop learning, the world is not going to sit still. It is going to keep changing. Be it markets change every day. Now, just because I said something 2 years back, and if you still hold on to that as gospel truth, I don't think you're going to survive in the market. Markets are changing. You need to change with the markets. That is where mentors also have to keep learning from the markets. And I believe unless we had that common philosophy of continuing to learn new things in the market, I don't think we would have been you know uh, working together for, I mean, this is the third year I have known Vinod for last, I don't know how many years, lot of years. And I've met Rajan, and he has been a dear friend, and we have instantly hit it off. And the reason is because we share this philosophy, is that we need to keep learning, keep doing new things, keep trying things. And unless we do that, I don't think we are going to make progress or continue to make progress. So even though I'm going to be a speaker here, don't confuse it with some kind of, don't confuse me with some kind of a magician. I am also like you, and I also have that urge to keep learning. And that is what brings you to this platform. And that is why this whole exercise is so interesting, because I get to meet enthusiastic traders like you. And that is my personal uh, benefit here. Okay, so I come here to learn from you, and if I can share something that helps you, that makes the deal even sweeter. All right, so that's why I believe you all should be joining Converse 2020. That's the reason why we are doing this program. And obviously the details Vinod will share. And one quick word on who should attend Converge 2020. All right, now first thing it's happening, I mean, I don't know whether it's an advantage or a disadvantage, or it's both. Okay, we won't be able to meet in person, but now Converge is going to come to the comfort and safety of your homes. All you have to do is switch on your laptop, have a internet connection, and you will be able to learn all that we want to share with you. All right, these are uncertain times. All right, we all understand the need of staying isolated and protect ourselves and our families. So if we ask you to come down to Bengaluru or some other location for Converse, I don't think it's fair. But at the same time, if we decide not to conduct this session just because we cannot meet in person, that again is not fair to the tradition that's called Converse. All right, so this is going to come to you at your homes. Technology has made it very very easy for us to be in the comfort and safety of our own homes, and still you know enjoy this sharing exercise that we are going to do. So anyone, okay, anyone who is remotely interested in trading and expanding his horizons, I mean, there are people who believe that they know everything. But if you're not one of those, if you still believe that you can learn something new, you should come to Converge. And if you know someone who wants to learn something new, you bring him along too. All right, so don't just join, uh, share this message with as many friends and colleagues, and as many people share it on your social media, because then it will reach to a bigger audience, and they will understand that, okay, there is a platform where new ideas are discussed every year. All the questions are answered, none of the questions will get go unanswered. And there are a group of people who are committed to bringing you new and better things in the field of trading every year. So I all I can say is, if you're already a member of the family, then I mean, there's no need even to invite you, because you are already a part of the family, so you have to be there. But we also need to expand and keep growing our family every year. So I believe it's everybody's responsibility, not only us mentors or the organizers, but everyone who has ever been part of this Converge family has that responsibility of growing this family every year, make it bigger and bigger, and bring in new people, bring in new traders, enthusiastic traders who will ask a lot of questions, who will share their experiences. And it will only make Converge a richer, a more I don't know, I can't find words for that, but it will be a platform where a lot of people will share their experiences, and it is always a good idea to listen to what people have to say, real practical things from their life in the field of trading. So that is what I believe. Like, anyone who's interested in trading should join, or must join Converse 2020. That's what I believe. All right, so I think that's my piece. I will stop here, and I would be really, really happy if I can see all of you and much more of you at Converse 2020. So, Vinod, if you are there, I believe you can take the session, or I can share it with Rajendran if I can find his ID.
Yeah, that was really wonderful. So nice of you, Mr. Dean. I think the
Thank
message
you.
was very clear. Definitely we as a family members, we're all committed that yes, we would certainly spread across the message of market profile and order flow. You rightly said, as a family, we can't stop there. We have to grow and spread the knowledge of market profile and order flow. And that was a wonderful presentation given by you. And thank you very much. I'm so glad that we are all associated together, happening, making this Converse 2020 an event which certainly helps our trader community. Yes, I think our other mentor, Mr. Rajendran, is waiting. So let me pass on the post role to Mr. Rajendran. I think, Mr. Dean, can you pass the
Yeah,
post
yeah,
role to Mr.
I'll do that.
Rajendran?
Yes, 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 I'll do that. Yes, I have given the role to Rajendran.
Um, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. So let me share my screen. And every time I'm just listening to Dean, right, I'm just getting that humbleness from him. That humble vibe I'm just getting from Dean, right? Of course, there are many times we've been arrogant with the markets, and I guess listening to the Deans, right, I'm able to remember my old arrogance with my markets and how, right, if you're arrogant with the markets, what is the end result? So that has been changed over the years, and thanks for Dean to remember from his voice, hearing to his voice, right, every time I remember that humbleness, like how you should be humble with the markets. So myself, my name is Rajendran, and I've been trading and living, breathing market profile and order flow for more than 8 years now. I've been using market profile and order flow since 2012 onwards. And what I'm going to do in Converge is that I'm going to talk a lot about order flow. This time, I'm going to come up with even more some interesting concepts on order flow trading strategies. I'm going to give you some lot of insights on order flow, like how Dean is going to give a lot of insights on market profile and uh, volume spread analysis. My job here is to fulfill the needs of the short-term traders, very short trades, like quick trades in the markets, like especially with a very tighter stop loss using order flow. That is what I'm gonna do in Converse 2020. Last time also I had spoken a lot about order flow, but this time what I am going to bring here is an crisp insights on order flow techniques over here, especially with the order flow principles along with that. It's not only the techniques that I'm going to bring here, why it is happening and what is the reason behind that, and especially how to understand this institutional order flow techniques, right? So how the bigger orders are getting filled in the markets and how we can take advantage of those informations. So those kind of actionable insights is what I'm going to bring into the Converse 2020. And of course, uh, there are many people who are very new to order flow last time. I guess this time also it's a thing here, because many people who are showing interest in learning order flow, for them I can tell you only one thing here. Order flow is the one core thing that explains behind a particular price action, why that particular move is happening at a very core fundamental level. Order flow explains, and it helps short-term traders and intraday traders to take frequent trading decisions. Of course, if you been in the markets, right, if you're a full-time trader or you want to become a scalper, right, you have to keep on changing your decisions very quickly and very faster. You have to keep on uh, changing your decisions. You cannot stick to one decision, and then you cannot say like I'm going to take only one trade and then I'm going to look for that fast trade over here. So being a short-term trader, right, it doesn't matter which side the market is going. Like a river, you have to keep on changing your directions very frequently, and objectivity is the more basic element and basic necessity when it comes to the concepts like order flow, right? So let it be any technical analysis technique that you are using, the objectivity is one thing that is mostly important. to take actionable insights. So what order flow helps you is that it helps you to understand the traders and investors with microscopic understanding about the market. That is what I'm going to give you. So what I want to give you is I want you to give a microscopic tour into the markets, how to look into the candlestick and how to understand how to bifurcate the buyers and sellers behavior, and how we can convert that into an actionable trading ideas. So order flow itself nothing but an visualization technique, like market profile, right? Market profile is also one sort of an visualization technique. Likewise, order flow also it helps traders to understand the intraday from the intraday trading perspective. It helps you to understand the markets much better. Probably I would say that better than reading a candlestick, it's better to get into the order flow kind of studies, which will be helping to understand where the big orders are happening, where the momentum orders are happening. I mean, where the momentum traders are coming in, where momentum exhaustion is happening, or more than that, where the order flow sweeping is happening. There are a lot of places order flow sweeping happens in the markets. So, how to understand those things. So, what I'm going to bring here is that in case of order flow, right, I'm going to bring you how you should see the markets using order flow, how to visualize the momentum orders, how to visualize the momentum exhaustion, how you can visualize the stop hunting using those order flow kind of techniques, and how you can try to understand the various principles behind it, how the institutional order flow happens, how the execution techniques are there in the order flow. There are various execution techniques are there. Probably would have heard about the VWAP, TWAP, and iceberg orders kind of stuff, how those kind of execution order works and who's behind those kind of execution techniques. And many times you would have been seen VWAP, and then many times you would have been wondered like why the price is coming and touching the VWAP and it's why it is bouncing back from those levels. So I'm going to explain the reason behind that using the order flow techniques, and how you can convert those informations into actionable ideas is what I'm going to explain here. And what I'm going to bring here is that this time I'm going to talk something new about order flow. I'm going to explain about order flow sweeping, and I'm going to explain about order flow sequencing. And I'm also going to talk about order flow delta unwinding and order flow delta positioning in detail, because these are the places where maximum opportunities can be captured. So these are the repeated behavior which we've been seeing in the markets. And so I thought like maybe it is something interesting to share in the Converge 2020 room. Of course, as Dean said, so we are in a difficult situation, like kind of pandemic. It locked down everyone in our house, and due to the safety, I also appreciate that Vinod taking a decision on bringing the people at one single place with a virtual conference. That's a commendable decision. That this is the first time, I guess, Converge 2020 is going virtual. And yeah, so 5 sessions has been organized. I've been dominantly speaking on 2 of the sessions, especially on order flow. And of course, there are some of the places I will be touch base on how to combine market profile with order flow as well. What are the places you can combine market profile and order flow? So that could be an one thing which I would like to do this time also again. So this is what I'm going to do in Converge 2020. Of course, my thing is that I want you to take something new from the Converge 2020. I want you to take something new every time, because many times we've seen repeated participants coming every year now and then, and they are learning something new every time. So my job is to, not only my job, I guess Dean also coming up with his newer ideas, like whatever he had gained in the last 1 or 2 years, very recently. Because learning is something which is very continuous, as Dean said, and we cannot keep ignoring the learnings, because you cannot say like, hey, I learned everything, and then you cannot step back, because the people who are learning on a daily basis, like the competition is getting increased, and the way the internet is designed, people are able to get instantly the information faster, and the learning of the other opponents also day by day it is increasing a lot. So we cannot sit idle and say like, I learned everything, even though you had done that, but you have to keep exploring. And I guess Converge 2020 is a best place to explore ideas and implement your thoughts into trading strategies. So that's all from my side, and I guess Vinod, you're there. So I hope you people will be joining the Converse 2020 team. Let me check with Vinod. Let, let me check. Yes, Vinod. I
Yeah.
guess this time you will be making something interesting to the participants. Like you might be coming up with some innovative ideas. I guess. Any new release you are
Yeah,
having
true,
this
true.
time? Any new product release or something like that?
Yeah, let me share the thought, what we are
Every
about to
time
come out
Vinod
with.
used to come up with some new tools, I guess this time Vinod might be having something in his mind. So I'll give it everything back to Vinod. Vinod, over to you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, sure, sure. Thank you, Rajendran. It was really nice presentation. I'm sure the kind of concepts which you have, shown up on the chart, it's really interesting. And I myself, I would definitely be keen to learn this kind of new concepts. Obviously, so I think Converge is the right place for everyone for us to explore these new things. Thank you once
Sure,
again,
Vinod. Vinod, I
Rajendran.
have to hurry up.
Okay.
I have to move to some.
Yeah, please carry on. I think Rajendran has one more session for the webinar.
Sure. Thank you, Vinod.
Take over.
Yeah.
Okay.
Over to
Yeah.
you.
So, friends, now coming to the Converge. Uh, you can visit our convergemeet.com website, and for the registration, there's a button over here called register, and it'll take you to the pricing page. So the cost for the Converge, we have kept very nominal fee this time, since being it's an online session. So it's about 5,000 rupees per person. So this is only for the first 100 registrations. Now, what is new here again? I would We would be giving you the Bell Subdum indicator. It's a zone marking indicator which is worth around 5,000 rupees complimentary. Okay. And of course, when it comes to the product launch, this would be one of the new product which we would be introducing. It's a manual marking zones, where you can always mark the particular zone, and the same zones can be, visualized in multiple time frames, and it will also show up what time frame and what color of zone you have selected. So that will be saved. So that is one thing which we would be working on. And of course, other few line of products, it is due for the launch, probably we would be planning it in 2021. It's been a pandemic year, and we thought, well, let's have these kind of launches. And of course, there were a few more testing which were kept pending. So probably, in 2021 we can expect more additions to our indicators list. Of course, Converge being one such event, we thought, this zone marking indicator can add up as a complementary stuff to all those participants who are registering. So again, I'm repeating, this is only for the first 100 registrations who are doing it. Okay.